In the grabber, there's an extra tool called the separation grabber. Now I still want my smart tool selected. So I still have every tool in the smart tool, except this is a different kind of grabber now. It's a hand with scissors. I'm going to zoom out so that I can see a little bit more. They say align with different emphasis on timing or certain word. So let's say I like everything up to timing. You've seen already that we can drag the cursor from right to left. And when you're trying to get what's at the beginning of the timeline, that's an easier way than trying to place your cursor right on the beginning. So drag from right to left, and then holding down the Option key, it's the Alt key on a PC, lift this piece and drag it up to the top. I didn't Command E or edit this piece. I just selected what I like, and it jumped to the top because I used the Option key to create a clone of it. So now I have at the top, let me solo this. Aha, it's going to the bus. We need it to go to the out. They say align with different emphasis on timing. They say align. So now we need the piece that comes after timing. Let's unsolo this. Or timing on certain words in the sentence. We like on certain words in the sentence. Notice that there's reverb on this one and no reverb on that one. We're going to fix that in a minute. I'm going to grab this little section, and because I'm in shuffle mode, I'm going to Option, drag it up, and even though my hand is over here, see the yellow line over there? It's going to jump, boom, and fill the gap. That's what shuffle does. So let's see what we have so far. They say align with different emphasis on timing on certain words in the sentence. Let's pick up that last piece that we did here, Option, drag, and place it up there. On certain words in the sentence. Words in the sentence. Got to be careful what tool you have, right? I got over close to the border here and switched to the trimmer. On certain words in the sentence. Let's say we're not crazy about that piece. Delete it and move this one over. They say align with different emphasis on timing on certain words in the sentence. Now, there's a little bit of a volume disparity here between this part and that part. That's a good case for making an edit and clip volume adjustment. They say align with different emphasis on timing on certain words in the sentence. That's a little too much. Maybe split the difference. We do have a softer side of the first one, so it's okay to have a softer side of the second one. Now, we said we'd fix the part where it's not coming through the reverb. That's as simple as jumping to the mix window. There's the original Option drag this to go to there. So now it's also sending, and it actually remembered my send level and sent it right over there with it. A little bit of a trick question for you. If I hit play right now, will I hear it through the reverb or not? Let's see. It's going out the reverb by this level. It's arriving at the reverb. Yeah, I should. The trick part is this is soloed, therefore not allowing the reverb to pass through. So the more elegant way to hear the edit through the reverb is to mute the original track. They say align with different emphasis on timing on certain words in the sentence. And that's the separation grabber. You don't have to make one edit in this entire performance. You just sort of reach in and grab what you like and reassemble it on another track. Another advantage is that we could continue the process, make yet another track, move it to the top, and call this edit 2. And so now we could reach in and grab different pieces of the original and reassemble a completely different edit up here on top and have kind of an A, B. We could put the B behind the edit, but there are advantages to doing it this way because now you can see the overall timing. Eventually, we're going to be synced to film, and so you can only be synced at one place. It makes more sense to be synced here. That's some uses for the separation grabber. Very handy tool in Pro Tools.